Friends, I am Hari Prasad, giving you a lecture on the topic personality touch. The topic for today's discussion is personality touch. Sincerity is the keystone of the personality. All people have one inside personality and one outside personality. Personality is the development of yourself. Three essential patterns of personality are sincerity, knowledge and service. Sincerity, knowledge and service. These are the three essential patterns of personality. You must be yourself. Have your own personality. Don't ape someone else. Ape from others. But make personality of your own. Do as they do. But do it in your own way. The purpose of reading is not to accumulate knowledge, but to use it. Service, sacrifice, selfishness form the essence of leadership and of personality. The essence of leadership and of personality, what are the essence? Service, sacrifice and selflessness. Service, selflessness and sacrifice form the essence of leadership and of personality. Time should be spent and not to squandered. Time is for spending, not for squandering. Squander means waste. Sincerity is the keystone of personality. Sincerity is the keystone, foundation. Keystone means foundation of personality. Great men acknowledge greatness in others, whereas small-minded persons belittle the good idea, the suggestion or achievement of others. Give winners the encouragement, appreciation and applause, even if they are serious rivals to your supremacy. I like to illustrate a point in this story. I am going to narrate a story now. In this story, I will narrate a point. What point I will narrate in the story, please try to understand. One day, I asked a hotel server why rich men usually give small tips while poor men are liberal. I asked the hotel server. The server answered well. How he answered, Sir, I suppose the rich man doesn't want anybody to know he is rich, while the poor man doesn't want to know anybody to know he is poor. That must be the reason, sir. Rich man doesn't want to make himself, others to feel he is rich. The poor man doesn't want to feel himself, others should not feel that he is poor. That is why poor man is giving good tip, big tip. Rich man is giving small tip. That is the answer given by the servant, that is server in the hotel. When I asked, you can fool some people for some time, but you cannot fool all the people all the time. Successful people combine work and pay in their proper proportions. Go on a 10-day vacation every year. Take time out to be pleasant, courteous and friendly. You will positively enjoy yourself. Any person needs 8 hours of work, 8 hours of work, 8 hours of sleep and 8 hours of leisure. 8 plus 8 plus 8. 8 hours work, 8 hours sleep, 8 hours leisure. 8 plus 8 plus 8, 24 hours a day. Okay? The person who says, I am not in a mood, never achieves success or happiness. Don't look for an alibi. Alibi means cover for. Don't look for an alibi for your laziness, ignorance or indifference. Roll up your sleeves and get to work. In one of my seminars, a member of the audience asked me, how is it that the communists were able to spread the gospel? I answered, because the communists did not wait for the mood and never pause to celebrate their success, to celebrate their successes with lengthy reports and souvenirs. I strongly recommend you to read Secrets of Success by Charles Newton and other book, Tough Times Never Last But Tough People. These are the two books written by Charles Newton. No, I made a mistake here. Again, you listen properly. I strongly recommend you to read Secrets of Success by Charles Newton and Tough Times Never Last But Tough People Do by Robert Schuller, and another book named You Can Win by Shiv Khera. On this happy note, I leave you to act quickly. Before closing the lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. Number 1, trust your brain. Number 2, trust yourself. Number 3, trust Hari Prasad. You become winner in life. Thank you. Copy time.